This video is for Alex, who was brilliant enough to ask me if there was a reverb tank in here, and there wasn't, because I never had this opened other than to check it out and see if it worked. But good catch. So here we go, clean. Nothing on it. These tone knobs don't work. You don't really need them though. So let's go with the reverb here. Clearly reverb's working now. No reverb. Let's check out the echo here. A little echo action. Repeat on the echo. Little delay action. I got too fast. There we go. And there's the new reverb tank. Good call, Alex. I'm gonna have you check out the rest of my shit. Alright, have a good day.